In this video, I want to talk about LinkedIn newsletters, what they are, why they matter, and how you can use them effectively. So let's start with the basics. A LinkedIn newsletter is simply a long-form content format. You do not need an extra emailing tool to set up your newsletter or build your database. It works natively inside the LinkedIn. People can subscribe to it, get notified every time your company publish an edition, and continue receiving your content even if they don't actively follow your page. But why is this important for you? First, LinkedIn newsletters establish thought leadership. This is where you share industry insights, market trends, practical advice, case studies, and product perspectives. It positions your company as a voice that understands what's happening in your space and knows how to navigate it. Second, they increase your visibility and credibility. LinkedIn heavily promotes newsletters because they want more high-quality, long-form content. This means you get higher impressions, you rank better in LinkedIn search, your content gets shown to non-followers as recommended for you. So even if your company page has limited reach, newsletters help you break out of your bubble. Third, LinkedIn newsletters can support the entire funnel. It can be plugged into every stage in a buyer journey. It can create awareness with industry insights, attract a wider audience, activate consideration with deep dives and frameworks, demonstrate expertise, affect the decision process with case studies and success stories. It's one of the few organic formats that naturally supports all funnel stages. Now, the question is, what should you put in your LinkedIn newsletter? This part is actually the easiest. Use the content you already produce. Blogs, news, articles, case studies, executive posts, company updates, HR events. Everything can be repurposed into a coherent, structured newsletter edition. It's one of the lowest effort, highest return channels you can activate. And the last question can be, what should be the newsletter frequency? This depends on your content maturity and company activity level. The best practice is monthly, a consistent, predictable rhythm. If monthly feels too much for now, quarterly works as a QBR style update. But remember, in newsletters, consistency and rhythm are everything if you want to build an engaged audience. So, to summarize, a LinkedIn newsletter is fast, low cost, high impact initiative, and in B2B marketing, it's one of the easiest levers to activate for reach, credibility, and long-term thought leaderships.